Keeping your floors clean can feel like a full-time job, especially if you have pets or a busy schedule. Sweeping, vacuuming, mopping, doing this every day just to keep your space clean is exhausting. That's where the Shark AV2610WA robot vacuum and mop comes in. With CleanEdge Technology, this device takes care of it all, so you don't have to. This vacuum doesn't just clean, it's smart. Using lasers to map your home, it knows exactly where to go, leaving no corner untouched. And for pet owners, it's a game changer. Pet hair? Dirt? No problem. It even empties itself, so you can forget about cleaning for weeks at a time. Control is at your fingertips with the Shark Clean app. Whether you're at home or away, you can start or stop cleaning, set schedules, and even check the cleaning map, all from your smartphone. It's as simple as pushing a button. With the Shark AV2610WA, keeping your home clean has never been easier. It vacuums, mops, and takes care of the mess, all with zero effort from you. Ready to experience it for yourself? Click the link below and see why the Shark Robot Vacuum is a must-have for any home. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to make cleaning easier and want to check out the Shark AV2610WA, click the link below and see for yourself why it's a game changer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions.